Ever stared at the night sky and wondered, what's actually out there? Just stars and some random planets floating around? Well, guess what? Our solar system isn't just sciencey stuff from your school textbook. It's full of drama, mystery, and personalities that would make reality TV jealous. So buckle up. We're going on a cosmic ride to meet the planets of our solar system, each one with their own vibe, story, and secrets. The solar system, our cosmic family. Imagine this, at the center you've got the sun, the boss, and around it, 8 planets spinning, orbiting, doing their own thing. Some are tiny and hot, some are huge and stormy, and one of them, yep, that's us, Earth. Let's meet them all, one by one. Mercury, the tiny daredevil. First up, Mercury, the smallest planet, but also the fastest. It zips around the sun in just 88 days. One side is blazing hot, the other side is freezing cold. Basically no middle ground. Mercury's living on the edge. Literally. Venus, the beautiful nightmare. Venus looks like Earth's twin from far away, but don't be fooled. It's a toxic wasteland with clouds of acid and surface temps that can melt lead. Also, it spins backwards. No one knows why, and maybe she just likes being the rebel. Earth, the life party. Earth, that's us. The only planet so far with life, pizza, memes, dogs, and sunsets. Perfect distance from the sun, breathable air, water, and coffee. If planets had an Instagram, Earth would be verified. Mars, the red enigma. Mars cold, red, and full of secrets. Everyone's obsessed with it. NASA wants to send people, Elon Musk wants to move in. It might be our future home, or just the ultimate weekend getaway. Who knows? Asteroid belt, space traffic jam. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt. Thousands of space rocks spinning around like bumper cars. It's like the universe started building another planet, then gave up halfway. Jupiter, the giant with an attitude. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It has a storm bigger than our planet that's been raging for 300 plus years, and it has over 90 moons, like, chill, Jupiter. Share a few. Saturn, the cosmic fashion icon. Saturn, the one with the rings. Made of ice and rock and absolutely fabulous. If Saturn were a person, it'd be the one who always shows up overdressed and still steals the spotlight. Also, it's so light it could float on water. Yep, a literal space marshmallow. Uranus, the sideways oddball. Uranus spins on its side like literally lying down. It's cold, distant, and has a chill, don't care vibe. Definitely the quirky cousin of the planetary family. Neptune, the windy blue king. Neptune, deep blue, super cold, and home to the fastest winds in the solar system. We're talking $1,200 MBR. That's faster than a fighter jet. Neptune's like the mysterious ocean king who shows up, causes a storm, and vanishes. Pluto, the dwarf with the biggest heart. Now let's not forget Pluto. Used to be a planet, got demoted, but still loved by millions. Tiny, icy, and super far away. Pluto's like the shy kid at the party that everyone secretly roots for. The moon, our loyal sidekick, and of course, the moon. Our planet's closest buddy, the original nightlight and inspiration for poets and dreamers. The sun, the superstar. At the center of it all, the sun. Big, hot, powerful. The Beyoncé of the solar system. It gives us warmth, light, life, and epic sunburns. Venus has a day longer than its year. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system. Jupiter's moon Europa may have an ocean under its ice. Saturn could float in a giant bathtub. Neptune's winds could blow away your whole house, seriously. So there you have it. 8 planets, each wild and wonderful in their own way. And Pluto, we still love you, buddy. Which planet is your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because next time we might just explore a black hole or meet some aliens. Until then, keep looking up. The universe is watching back.